Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Halton Hills housing update. So not a great update this week. I was sort of, in a promising state last week where I was hoping that we were seeing the start of inventory coming down. Not the case. Let's look at the numbers. In Georgetown this week, we only had 9 sales, which is pretty low. Seeing under that 10 number is always not great. We had 21 new listings. So this is again the big problem. Last week it was so quiet, and I think it was just that last week of summer situation that we were in. People were just giving it a week, but yeah, 21 new listings. So inventory is way up this week. Interesting in terms of sales overall, because Acton, Glen Williams, and Limehouse all had no sales this week. So again, very low sales. In all of Halton Hills, we only saw 11 sales. So Acton had no sales. It had 6 new listings, so inventory is up there. Glen Williams, no sales, no new listings. Limehouse, no sales, no new listings. The rural market did see 2 sales and 2 new listings, so balanced in the rural market this week. But overall, really, really bad sales numbers. Now looking at active inventory, all of Halton Hills is up to 193 active listings. This is, I believe, the highest number that we have seen. Yep, highest number we've seen. So 193 active listings. We are pushing that 200 mark. That's up from 183 last week, so a big jump. So looking at Georgetown, Georgetown is up to 121 active listings from 115. So not like a massive jump, but definitely still going in the wrong direction. Looking at our price points, there's so much stuff available under 800,000. So under 800,000, lots of it is townhouses and condos, but there's a few freeholds like products in there. So it's up to 15 active listings from 11. 800 to $1 million is actually down slightly. It had 30 active listings last week. It's down to 26, so that's, I guess, good. $1 million to 1.5 million is back into the 50s. So we were at 48 last week. We're up to 52 active listings this week. Lots available in that price point, like so much stuff. 1.5 million plus is up to 28 active listings from 25 last week. So not a huge jump, and definitely down from the really high numbers we were seeing in the 30s. So that a lot of the stuff that's hovering between like 1.7 and 1.4, but I mean, obviously the 1.4 is already under the 1.5. We're seeing those 1.7 products coming down to like 1.499 like pretty quickly. So there's a lot of movement in these price points, and so a lot of stuff is coming under that 1.5. Acton this week is up significantly from 19 to 24 active listings. Glen Williams is down. There was a termination, so it's down to 11 active listings, but still super high. Lots of good stuff in the Glen. It is so weird to not see stuff moving in Glen Williams. Like, it's the place that usually moves really quickly. And so it is just a sign of sort of what's happening in the overall market. Limehouse remained the same this week at 3, and the rural market remained the same at 34 active listings. So again, last week, I thought maybe it would be the start of the summer listing slowdown, but it is not looking like that was the case. I do hope in the coming weeks we stop seeing listings coming up so that we can sort of get into a balance before the fall market. But we're just gonna have to watch these numbers closely, because every week it's like what's going on? And eventually we start to see a trend, but right now the trend is still that we are going up in inventory. Last week was maybe just a blip because of the long weekend. So I will be back next Tuesday with this coming week's numbers, and hopefully we start to see a slowdown in listings and a pickup of sales. But not sure what's gonna happen with the interest rates going up and how that's gonna impact everything. So we're just gonna have to watch. I'll be back next Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone.